There's less pressure in a relay team because we're all together, so if we mess up together. But in the individual race, it all depends on you, so you do feel, well, I felt a lot of pressure because I had to perform to my best, and then when you don't, it's kind of disappointing.
You mentioned about competing for Ireland. I know after the success that you had, there were a few comments made online questioning your Irishness.
Yeah. After the European Youth Olympics under 17, when I won the bronze medal, that night I was on my phone on the Irish Olympic page, and there was a nasty comment that said she doesn't look too Irish. And I did feel, because that was the first time, not the first time I've received racism, but like on social media, because I felt really targeted and I didn't feel too good, and I went to one of the coaches and explained that I was upset. But then the Irish team, they're so welcoming, and they make you feel better, so then I didn't worry that much, and I feel like I don't need people to tell me that I'm Irish because I know that I'm Irish. When I put on the vest, I don't think, oh, I'm a black girl wearing Irish singlet. I just say I'm Irish and I'm representing my country and I'm proud. So I don't think anyone should take that pride away from me.